It may not have been an easy year for many of us, but we are glad to have made promising developments despite the circumstances. Here's a recap on how the past year panned out for us in the sugar industry. We recently launched our very own training facility in Ambernath with a team of 30 specialized technicians with decades worth of experience. We now conduct courses for training welders for specialized jobs. We accomplished 800 plus jobs around the country across more than 40 sites. Our team of specialists provided on-site maintenance with excellent workmanship, including arcing on 350 plus rollers, wear protection on 65 TRPF rollers, welding and maintenance on 35 roller journals, reconditioned over 180 pinions, repaired over 22 anvil plates, modified 8 existing levelers. By acquiring businesses in 3 more countries this year, we are now present in 45 countries around the world. We have expanded our production power by signing off on our brand new plant in Mumbai. The factory is sprawled across 6 acres and is an absolute powerhouse. We've successfully manufactured and commissioned 15 levelers and 6 fiber saws to further benefit our clients. We launched the IMCO Mac 1250, a versatile multi-purpose welding machine. In addition to our new devices, we also launched our own line of specialized wires and electrodes for the sugar industry. We grew our family by a strength of more than 40 employees. We have also joined hands with promising new partners for a bright future ahead of us. With new additions to our arsenal, a new look was bound to be revealed. Our latest website is clean and concise, showcasing all our offerings under one domain. All in all, it has been yet another spectacular year, from the latest technological innovations to strengthening ourselves with manpower. We continue to create solutions to minimize wear and tear problems for all our clients. IMCO Total Wear Solutions.